300 miles from the magnetic North Pole. I mean, how desolate can you get?
This is not
Hot chocolate? Hot cocoa in the Arctic Circle. It's very brutal here.
Check this out.
The environment itself provides us with a lot of possibilities. I'm sure it will be an exciting event.
It's 6:45 a.m. Yeah, maybe some coffee.
Why is there no one here?
Why is the ship empty?
This is the Arctic Explorer. We're alone on the ship. Is there anybody out there? Get in the lifeboat. We're getting off the ship.
Where is everybody?
Run! This is the Arctic Explorer. We're alone on the ship. Is there anybody out there?